If you're thinking about to give a gift to someone who likes to read, then probably the best gift you're gonna give is the original watercolor bookmark. I'm gonna show you how to make a original watercolor painting for a bookmark. I have someone in my mind who like to walk on the beach, who like vacation. It's a Arches watercolor paper, 140-pound cold press. And I already tape all around with the artist tape. After the painting dries, it would stay flat, so I can make a beautiful bookmark at the end. I also make a template. Inside over here is 2 inches by 6 inches. So this is a very common size for a bookmark. Let's do a little study. I'm going to have the horizon line to be here, and I have the person walk up over here, and the horizon line is right over here, like that. And the person, how big I want to paint the person, I'm going to see. I'm going to have a little catch the shadow on over here, so that person is probably, because I only paint her bags, so that a lot of people can imagine this person can be anyone, can be a person that I'm going to give this card to. Okay, like that. And the shoulder will be right over here. So I'll take care of the shape later and make sure the leg over here and this another leg a little shorter, because moving forward like that, that should be fine. I'm going to make sure I have the footprint and also the catch the shadow over here, like that, and have some water. This is the beach, like that, coming on this side. So I make it stretch it a little bit longer than the reference. It's supposed to be very simple, and the footprint coming over here. Okay, so I'm ready to start the painting. So before I start it, I'm going to use a graphite pencil. I'm going to mark the four corner, so I know how much I want to paint. I don't want to draw the box, and I don't want to tape around, because I do want the watercolor painting bleed outside the border. And when I trim, I will have a better judgment. I can move a little bit left, move a little right if I need to. Okay, start from, I'm going to use this large brush. You might be thinking about is, whoa, such a small bookmark. Why do you need such huge brush? I just feel I like it. Okay, I'm gonna get a little blue color for the sky and start over here, like that. Okay, and like that, like this. I'm gonna make it a flat color. I try to make it look relaxing, so I don't want to have something really heavy. Okay, that's just the top. And at this point, I'm going to lift up some color, so make it look like clouds. I'm gonna have the cloud coming over here and coming in and off the page over here, and maybe a little bit coming on this side, like that. This is fine. Now I'm going to use a little light brown color. So I'm going to take the yellow color. This is already good color. Okay. Now I'm going to come up over here. I'm going to leave a little gap at the horizon line. So I don't want to have the blue color come in because the blue color is still very wet. Okay. Like that. That's good. Okay. Now come a little bit closer. I'm going to get a little bit more red color. And maybe a little bit more orange. So a little bit more red, a little bit more yellow. Okay, let's see. Coming out. Okay. So I paint it a little bit bigger than what the bookmark would need. Okay, so this is good. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to the beach over here. Put a little blue color for a little watermark. Like that. Add a little bit color over here. May not going to be included, but that will be fine. I'm going to have a little bit later. Okay. Now I'm going to use a little, maybe have a little bit of green. This is good. I'm gonna coming over here like that. Maybe a little bit too dark, because that can be in a quite bit of distance. Okay, make it really simple, like that, and a little bit thin and darker line, like that. That's fine. That's for the beach. Simple. Sometimes simple the better. Okay, on the edge over here, I'm gonna have also a little gray color, showing that could be the houses. Like that, really simple. Relax. Okay, this is good. And I'm gonna wait a little bit, let it dry. Now I'm gonna paint the focal point, the main object with the person. So I'm gonna paint the biggest area first. A little bit blue. That's good. Let's see. What's the shape look like? Okay. And there's always all the way coming down way here. That's right. That's very important to see how big is it. Now I know how high this shape. Painting into the body was the biggest shape. Now the waist, the hip right over here. Like that. And now I'm gonna paint this hand, this arm right over here. Like this. Now this side. Look, compare, and then make the shape. Okay, now I'm going to come down to the leg with this brown color. I'm gonna get a little red color, have a little bit yellow, and I think a little bit more red. So I need a little bit blue colors. Here you go. Now I have this color, good enough. I'm gonna leave the short pins and fill it in a little bit later if I need to. Let's take a look. First draw this coming down over here. Here you go. Okay, that's, and the other one coming from here. Now I am painting the center line of this leg. That's good. Now I'm going to expand it. A little bit bigger at the top. Like that. And then take a look on this side. Take a little space between these two legs. Like that. Okay, now come up to the hand. There's the arm right over here. There's a little arm on this side. Now come to the head. I'm gonna make this a little bit darker. Get a little bit blue color. There you go. Okay. And now I'm gonna take a look at the cast shadow on the floor, on the ground. Here you go. It's good. I'm gonna give a little more. Now it's already dry. Give a little more for the suggestions of the house. Like that. Now it's good. I'm gonna get a little line over here. Like that. A little line over here. Coming up like that. That's good. Now I'm gonna take this brown color. I'm gonna make the footprint. Like say, the first footprint over here, very close, will be here. Okay. Now I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And another one a little bit later. I'm going this one that's about here, and then like that. That's fine. And then another one over here, like that. Another one right over here. Now the color get lighter, lighter, lighter. That's perfect. Okay. And another one right over here. Another one. And this will be very light. That's good. Now I'm gonna clean my brush. Just do a little softer. That. Okay, make it a little softer. Over here. Here you go. A little softer. Just lift it up a little bit. I also want to show the edge. So in that case, I just take this color, just a little bit darker. I'm gonna put it around the shape. Just a little bit darker. Okay, like that. And I'm gonna have this color also on this side around it a little bit darker. Okay, now I'm gonna have a little yellow color and coming forward. Okay, maybe too much yellow. I like the yellow in here, but it may be too much, so I'm gonna soften that a little bit. And also in the distance, I can use the yellow color to make it kind of disappear. Okay. And then I'm gonna come back to give it a little bit gray color for the pins. So a little bit suggestions. Like that. Okay, that looks good. Maybe a little bit too dark. I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. So I'm gonna think about the top over here. I'm gonna have a little bit more blue on the top. Like that. And also a little bit color over here. Like that. That's fine. And I'm gonna continue paint another one with a different subject matter. And if you are a member of Enjoying Art, you'll be able to see the process of painting the second card. Now the painting is totally dry. Release the tape. Now here you go. The two bookmarks just finished. So have fun making your holiday gifts.